Yes, hello. Good evening. So this is the sample of the project that I can maybe talk about at the moment. This application is called, actually this website is actually called by bacalast.com. Uh, this is it. So it has got some few features that I can maybe mention up for now. Filter first, so maybe by the country, see maybe to check the Google whatever. The language, that's the simple logo they have, and maybe regions, etc. Depending on different regions that maybe they have, you can always select the city you're in, and if you have, you can always give in. If you don't have, something of that sort, that you can filter in a given partial region. Maybe let me say that's region. So that will definitely gives us a chance to, if you do that, get off. I expect this to load that for us and then pushes us to different stuffs, or maybe fetching a product based on the region depending on how we want it to be. We also have a simple login that definitely describe for us how people will access application. The login is where registration is where we someone sign up if at all wants either to be a vendor or a merchant or something of that sort, and then definitely becomes part of the application or part of the family whereby they'll be using the application. So if you were to register, just definitely just need to filling up this simple stuff that you need to give in within the application. The first name, last name, the email, the password, etc., the country, the regional location, the phone number, and then maybe lastly the agenda. Which when you submit, definitely you'll be in a position to use the application. Then also have the password, which I said earlier, that definitely if I have my account, if possible, and if maybe I try to log in, if everything is okay, I think you can see it will be actually directed to manage up your ads, which will be in position to manage the ads, take you to the dashboard, and this is simple logout. So managing ads definitely gives us a chance to. So this site already added on ad Google ads on it as well, depending on what the client maybe tend to actually ask me. But as well as if I happen to load up this from this side as this page is loading up, since this is where we manages up different ads. So this is already the number of ads added in by different groups of people, the adverts which are actually running, which maybe might be paid or not paid, I don't know. So this shows the list which are paid. This is a reason, and my ads at the moment I didn't upload any. So this definitely talks about the really running adverts. So this definitely describe the different categories that I have, which actually I may say to some extent, I have it down in the application like women's collection, etc. Those are some of the stuffs that we really have around there. So when you check here, maybe women collections, which is here. So this is it, and that's what we have. Now this is different stuff. So when someone click on women's collection, this definitely takes you to that region, and this is it. So here you see all women's collection that maybe might be added to the site, so maybe the shoes, etc. Now the system also tends to go further that when I click on this very piece of clothes, so maybe that very two pieces or whatever that they have there, if I click here, it loads me to that page whereby I can see definitely this, where is it, this is actually Google adverts which you are seeing. These are Google adverts. So this definitely describe the different formats of the stuff. And also I happen to put here whereby the seller and the contact of the details of the person. Maybe if that's not what you're interested in, that you want somebody to be odd, I don't know how you want it to be like. But definitely if this is something of that sort, so this is a behavior of Ujiji, how Ujiji works, where this is just a contact of the person of the advert. And then definitely you have even the total number of the views so far we have that. So if I take you back again still under women's collection shortly, if I take you back to women's collections, where is it? You realize that if I click on like maybe this, it's also going to show me its own number of views and something of that sort. So I also expect to have different stuffs within there. So this has already 60 people has viewed it. This is a possible Google Ads that you can see around here. Those are Google Ads, so something of that sort. And like I've said, that this is the way we manage up different adverts from different people who might have posted the ads in your site. So this is a list of the adverts we have, and that's it. So we can always move to different whatever and get to know even the pricings, and you can delete and etc. So depending on how the stuff is going to be like, and then that's how what I can simply say. So if I walk you through, like for instance, I say maybe don't want to go to manage ads at all. So in simple term, if you check and maybe still manage ads, if I may say that. So I have my ads. I don't have any ads at the moment, as you can maybe see. But then on the other way around, also let me just check there. I think I'm logged in as administrator. But on the other way around, there's what I have to say that you can definitely also be in a position to post up your own adverts just from here. So meaning to post up your own adverts, I have to have an account, I have to be logged in. That's what I may say. I think I forgot to show that. So when I think I happen to log into the site as well, and I go into the site, so definitely I'll be in a position to go to here. So when I click here again now this time around, I'll be allowed to post up an advert because it will definitely take me to advert part, and I'll just select the category based on those categories that they added, put the title there. I can always generate my own paragraphs depending on how I want it to be. So I can always give up my stuff there. If I want to put an image or etc. If that's what I want to do, I'll definitely have those stuffs around there. I can actually put the pricing here. I put the whatever I want to add if that's what I want. I add different images like that's the image and etc. And then when I click post, definitely if everything's okay, I should be in a position to post an advert that if at all somebody in our site should be in a position to see just like a from the categories, different categories that we have. For instance, if I've just posted electricals, I should be in a position to have them actually posted around, maybe if I may say to simple term, maybe this one. So whereby when I click here, I find those several posts that I might have just posted into the application and with the number of views etc. So that's it. So this under electronics where they this is it. I think you might see something of that sort. So that's it for now. Otherwise, thank you.